Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about making a notebook holder box. So it's a very simple construction. It's just two pieces of a plank from a fence picket cut at 6 inches in length, and the one piece for the bottom is cut at 1 foot even. For the rails we're going to use some simple wooden rulers, and all I had to do was pre-drill some holes, and we did use roofing nails for this just because they were cheap and really easy to get a hold of. And when you pre-drill your holes to put those nails in, that's going to allow it to go in without splitting the edge of the wood. If you notice a little bit on this corner, it split a little there because I didn't pre-drill that hole first. But that's a really easy project, and you can put your notebooks in this. You can use it for newspapers or a mail caddy by the door. Really an all-purpose just kind of box here. We'll see you next time. Thanks.